Good morning, friends. For the last few days, there had been no record on the Ahathundal TV. I have a very detailed plan towards the development of individual, but unfortunately, who is ready to implement it? Because the youth of today wants a result without any effort. They wanted a white collar job and sitting in the air conditioned room and earn a 4 or 5 digit salary. That should not be the aim of the individuals. The first and foremost thing which should come into the mind is good health. Irrespective of the place you are born, whether a village or a town or in a cosmopolitan area, you must have a plan to develop yourself. Say, for example, if you are about 10 years old, you should exercise in such a way that you will be able to look after yourself without any external help. For going to shop, people today take scooter, two-wheeler, or even car. If you keep using such things and all, when you are about 35 years old, you will be almost like that of a 60 years old man. The body and mind should be flexible at any time of your life. Even it is your old age, you should exercise in such a way that your body and mind is always flexible and adapt to the changing situation of life. Though I was born in a village and in an agricultural family, I had no hesitation in learning what are the other aspects of life in town or in high society area. It was a godsend opportunity to be in the army as an officer. The officership in the army is said to be a royal life. People say army officers are born with a silver spoon in their mouth. No doubt, with the enormous power and facilities entrusted out to an officer, he enjoys a very good life. But army is not just a one-man show. It's a teamwork. Officers and Jawan are working together towards the safety, honor, and integrity of this country. So, the officer, in addition to looking after himself, is supposed to look after the men under his command, train them to his way of life, and use them appropriately in a battle situation. If you don't train them, then the result will not be very favorable. Sometimes the leader or a commanding officer, if he is evacuated from a scene, say battle scene, then the people around, people next to him, the second in command or the other officers should take charge and continue the work that has been left by the evacuation of the leader. In society, it's a vast area Like this, politicians are now handling the situation. Can anybody tell any single politician who is expert in any field? Perhaps the only field which our country has developed for the last about 50 years or so, corruption. Corruption in a high level, corruption in a highly technical level, new methods of corruption, new new ideas how to steal government property, how to uh, cheat the people. Even today, you will find that in the internet or in the cell varieties of thefts are taking place. The bank scam, how to take money from your account. So many things are being developed. The intelligence that is used to develop this type of illegal activity, if it is used for a legal activity or to develop your own, our country will certainly flourish. This inspirational park at my native place, Sannanallur, is my self creation to draw the attention of the local youth that it is possible for you to achieve whatever you want. I expected that the people who go through this park, go through this inspirational park, or get the message about this, should contact me and ask me further details. Unfortunately, that doesn't take place because they are not interested in long term planning. That is the biggest mistake. When you want to achieve certain things in life, say for example, you want to build a house. A 15-20 years old boy plans that he must live in a palatial building, then you work plan in such a way, what is your target area, target period? Say 20 years. In 20 years, you want to build a house. Then in 10 years, what will you do? In 5 years, what will you do? In 1 year, what you should do? In 1 month, what you should do? In 1 day, what you should do? Like that, you work out. You work out a period by a program in such a way that every day of your activity is one step ahead towards achieving the goal. That is the aim of this Inspiration TV or Agathundudal TV, which is being developed slowly and steadily so that a great message is given to the youth of this country. Thank you.